How to contact FireKirin support. First of all, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type FireKirin customer support and press the search button. Make sure to tap on the official FireKirin website link from the search results to get accurate support options. Once you are on the support page, you will find fields to enter your name, email address, phone number, and the message describing your issue. Fill out all the details carefully and explain your problem clearly so the support team can help you efficiently. Include any relevant screenshots or account details if necessary, as this helps speed up the resolution process. After completing the form, tap Submit. You will receive a confirmation and a response from FireKirin support via email. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder in case the email is filtered. Follow any instructions provided to resolve your issue or get answers to your question. You can also keep a record of your support ticket number for reference in future queries. Contacting support is the best way to ensure your account and game issues are handled safely and professionally. Now you know how to contact FireKirin support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.